Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on my phone N23. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now you can click open, and now you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click not now. Here you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now again, and here you can sign in, or you can click not now. Now you can turn on notifications, or you can click not now, and now Firefox browser is installed on your device. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.